Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Edwin. If you're a subscriber to this channel, then most likely this is the first time you've seen my face. How's it going? Now, I had a script here ready to go for this channel, but you know what? Truthfully, I kept tripping on myself. So I decided to shoot this from the heart. In the past, this video was strictly about using design tools such as Adobe, Canvas, and so forth. And if you notice, I haven't posted anything for a while. The reason for that was because me personally, I was trying to find direction in life. I wanted to help others in the same situation I was. And Lord behold, the answer was staring me right in the face. My YouTube channel. Now, going forward, we're gonna switch things up a bit. I'm still gonna include my tutorial videos using Adobe and all those design tools for you design freaks like I am. But I'm also going to include tips on digital marketing, e-commerce, and offer guidance. Now, guidance, you may ask, why? Well, because, and this also ties into the title of this video, why this video is for older adults, is because I'm 45 years old. It wasn't until a few years ago that I graduated, actually last year, graduated from college, earning my degree in digital and social media marketing. On top of that, I am working a full-time job. I am a freelance UX designer. I also earned two certificates from Google. One was a UX design certificate, professional certificate, and the other was a digital marketing and e-commerce certificate. Now you may ask, why, if I have a degree, why did I get a certificate? Well, because I wanted my certificate to supplement my degree. I don't know. It just, in my head, I thought, wow, that'll look real cool on my LinkedIn account or in my resume. Also, I'm a husband. I'm a father of three wonderful children, one of which is in college himself and will be taking his LSAT in the summer. Now, needless to say, none of that was easy. Getting to where I'm at today wasn't easy. And I understand firsthand how difficult it is when one screws up. In my case, I screwed up for dropping out of high school. You know, one screws up, or just life gets in the way sometimes, and you have to postpone your dreams and certain things to either take care of a loved one, or whatever the case may be. You have to put your life on hold, and you have now an opportunity to change things around, but you don't know how. Now, I want this channel to be sort of a guidance to you who's in that situation, who has a family, who has a job that you're not really happy about, and you just want to change things around, but you just don't know how because you don't know where to begin. Now, for the younger adults, teens, kids, whoever may, you're free to walk. You're more than free to watch this video. There's a lot you can take out of this video. But for the younger adults, the teens out there, you have a lot more time on your hands than we do. I mean, for many adults, we have mortgages, we have family that we have to take care of, we have a career or a job that we're in. We don't even, we're not in school yet. Younger adults, you don't have that. And if you do, you're young. Chances are, if you screw up or you want to take a year off to travel, you can always come back because you still have years ahead of you. Like I said before, I'm 45. I'm going to be 46 in April. For many of us starting out, we don't have that much time left. This is our last chance. Not to sound grim, but you know what? That's life. That's just life. It is what it is. But, to the younger people out there, this video is for you as well. But this specific messages, I'm just going to direct it at the older adults out there who, again, and I apologize for repeating myself, but who have families, who have a mortgage, who have a job or a career that they're not happy and they just want to better themselves, who want to go back to school and just don't know how to do it or how to start. Let me offer my guidance. It wasn't easy, but it could be done. It's never too late. Trust me, it's never too late. I'm going to be 46 in April. I feel like I still have a lot to give, a lot to offer, and this channel, I'm going to use this channel as a tool to not only show others that it can be done, but I'm going to offer my guidance on how it can be done, where to start. All the content that I'm going to provide is probably not going to be relevant, but I hope in some way it helps you out. My overall message is I hope to motivate and inspire those adults that are in the situation that I was, and just wants to better themselves. Now, of course, I had a support. I had a real good support group when I started this out. My wife was with me. I mean, she's still with me, but my wife helped me out a lot. She was the one that literally kicked my ass to get back into school and get my GED. Now, for those of you who don't have that support with you, hit me up. I got my LinkedIn's available. DM me, and in the comment section, just reach out to me. Hit me up. I'm gonna try my best to answer as many questions as possible. But just because you have nobody to support you for whatever reason, I'm here for you guys. Just reach out to me, and I'll do my best to answer you. My portfolio, excuse me, I'm getting tongue tied here. Listen, I'm not using a script. My portfolio is linked to my channel, so email me, and I'll do my best to reach out to you. Again, and I hate to be repeating myself, but it just has to be said. It could be done. It's never too late. Now, again, I'm still gonna post my videos on on using tools like Adobe and stuff, because I just love Adobe. That's still not gonna change. So you're free to still watch those videos and learn how to use design tools. Some of the topics I want to cover going forward in this channel, aside from the tutorials, is the best courses to take online for whatever reason. The best courses. In the past I've used Coursera, Treehouse, I think it was. Yes, Treehouse, Udemy, and I'm gonna go step by step and showing you which I think are good resources to get certain degrees. I'm gonna also go through LinkedIn. I think LinkedIn is one of the most important tools we can use, and I feel a lot of people don't really use it because they still think it's kind of like another social media platform, but it's not. And LinkedIn in the past has helped me a lot to get to where I'm at right now. We're gonna be covering LinkedIn again on that. I'm gonna offer my guidance on how to manage your time, or just offer tips on how to manage your time, because 2 years ago when COVID hit. Before COVID hit, I was literally, no lie, I was literally working my full-time job as an account manager. I was a hospitality agent at the YMCA. I was going to school. I was doing freelance, and I think in between there, I was taking one of my online certificates. Oh yeah, and by the way, I still had my family that I had to make sure I was there providing for them. So I was doing all those things. And again, it wasn't easy. It was very challenging. But if you plan ahead and schedule your time, it can be done, and it will be done. But most importantly, and I haven't mentioned this yet, certain sacrifices need to be made. So just keep that in mind. If you're one that loves to go partying on weekends. Not that there's nothing wrong with it, but you may have to curb that a little bit and just focus on your goal, or just certain sacrifices. I mean, the sacrifices I had to make was just some of the sacrifices that I had to make was personally, I had to stop playing a lot of video games. I was a big World of Warcraft junkie, and I had to cut that out and just focus on school. Um, and there was another thing was I used to love to go out eating with the family, so I had to kind of curb down a little bit, not too much. But again, certain sacrifices have to be made. So just keep that in mind. But that's basically it. That's what I wanted to just kind of touch base on the direction of this channel going forward. I hope to hear from you. If you feel this channel can offer you some value, I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to it. Also hit that little bell icon for you could get notified when I post a new channel. Again, it's not an easy journey, but from personal experience, it could be done, and it's never too late. Again, I'm gonna be 46, and I still have a lot to offer. So that's gonna basically wrap it up for this short video. I don't know how long this video is right now, but that wraps it up, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Take care, everybody.